Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I'm really excited to give you a tour around this fantastic Volkswagen Approved Used Tiguan R-Line, which is a 2.0 TDI automatic, 200 PS, 4-motion drive, finished in a Dolphin Grey metallic paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning a 360-degree walk around and starting at the front. A fantastic additional option on this car is your IQ lights, really brighten up the roads ahead and making you more visible to other road users. Next we have these 20-inch Mazzano black diamond turned surface alloy wheels, really making a statement on this Tiguan. Then moving up, we do have your body coloured door mirrors featuring your integrated indicators, followed by your fitted roof rails, which are great for carrying outdoor equipment. We do also have your rear tinted glass, really tying everything together. Next, taking a look inside this spacious interior, we have the luxurious Vienna leather, which is an additional option. Got the contrast stitching running through the seats. We do have your centre seat acting as an armrest for additional comfort. Then your rear passengers will be happy to know that do have access to climate controls as well as USB points. Making my way to the back of the vehicle, we do have your rear camera, which is another additional option. This will help with them tight manoeuvres and help you to park up nice and safely. Next, taking a look inside this impressive boot space. This was expected from a Tiguan. We've got so much space available with the option to fold down the rear seats. If you did require some additional space, you could easily fit in multiple suitcases as well as a pram and your shopping. This Tiguan looks amazing in this Dolphin Grey finish. It's also covered 12,566 miles. And taking a glance inside the front interior, we are equipped with your leather multifunction steering wheel, followed by your front heated seats, which are R-Line embossed. This will ensure you and your front passenger are nice and cosy during all weather conditions. There are also electric adjustments available, as well as your memory feature to help you find the most comfortable position. Then we do also have your panoramic sunroof, which is another additional option. This will enhance your experience further. So that does conclude a 360-degree walk around. So the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, you'll find all your electric mirror and window adjustments and the central locking positioned in the driver's door. Then to the right of the wheel, you'll find your automatic light controls. Then moving on to your multifunction steering wheel, this is also heated. This just features your touch sensitive controls so we can access some of the car's functionalities without removing our hands away from the wheel. This does include the adaptive cruise control, which is the perfect addition for motorway driving. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customize what you want to see in your digital cockpit pro. So this is where you find all your key driver information and settings, such as your satellite navigation. So using the controls, we can change your view to expand your map. You can also see other important driver information. Then scanning over to the centre console, you will find your infotainment system. So this is where we can access a wide range of features that are available on this Tiguan. So firstly, we have access to your FM and DAB radio, providing you with stations that you can save to your favourite preset lists. Then we do also have your Bluetooth telephone preparation, so you're able to make hands-free calls nice and safely on the go. With your app connection, so you can seamlessly display your phone apps through the vehicle, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages, or you can use in the built-in satellite navigation. This will help you plan your routes as well as providing you with the quickest ones. You can have this displayed either here or on your digital cockpit. Then when popping the car into reverse, your parking camera will appear on the screen as well as your sensors. This will help you with tight manoeuvres and park up nice and safely. Then your sensors will give off an audio warning, which will help detect your vehicle and anything around it. With the additional support from your park assist, you'll never need to worry about parking again. So we do have some great safety features, including your side assist. This car features your lane assist as well as your front assist. We have your driver alert system, your adaptive cruise control, as well as your dynamic road sign display. And then another fantastic feature on this Tiguan does include your ambient lighting. So this offers you customizable colours to choose from, preference to the driver. This looks amazing during the darker hours. Just below you'll find your climate controls. This offers you and your front passenger individual airflow to save any future arguments. So it's all digital. It's all touch sensitive, it's nice and easy to use. And then we have a 3-point front heated seating. This will make sure you're nice and cosy. Just below we do have 2 USB ports as well as your wireless phone charging function. This will prevent wires from being all over your centre console. We have your keyless start. And then we do also have your automatic transmission. We've got a 4-wheel drive. We've got some hidden cup holders and some additional storage space underneath your armrest. And then finally, giving you another quick highlight on your fantastic panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the back of the vehicle. So we can easily operate the roof from just above, and then we do have your electric sun blind on there as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen Approved Used Tiguan R-Line, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.